Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video we will go through how to wire up an Omron CP1L PLC. To the PLC I will connect a blue push button and a solid-state relay from Omron. I am using the 24 voltage DC version of the PLC, so to the power side I will wire up 24 and 0 voltage DC. I will wire my button as PNP to the first input terminal. So this means I will have to connect 0 voltage DC to my input common terminal. I will connect my relay to the first output terminal, so to my common terminal I will connect 24 voltage DC. Then from the first output terminal I will connect to my relay socket's A1 terminal. And on the relay socket's A2 terminal I will wire up 0 voltage DC. This is all the wiring we need. I will load a simple program to my PLC that makes the button's input turn on the output I wired to the relay. Let's test it out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.